Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This week it is Asmodeus. He's going to be a nice, quick and simple mini. He's pretty much all one colour. He was primed in Viejo's Grey and I'll start off with Royal Purple for all of the clothing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I also stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up, while the purple dries, I use dark flesh tone for the hair. With the purple now dry, I came back with Hexed Lichen just to highlight up those raised areas and any of the areas that are facing up. For the hands, I used elven flesh. The blades and dagger hilts are done with gunmetal. Next up, I do the belt and feathers using Monster Brown. For the sword hilts, I went with Glorious Gold. In the artwork, there is red trim around some of the clothing and stitching, so I went with Gory Red for this one. is black for the base. The only wash I do on this mini is flesh wash for the hands, gold and hair. And that will be it for Asmodeus, a very quick and simple mini. I was going to do a purple wash over him but felt it wouldn't contribute enough to the actual mini, so I left it out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get better equipment to make these videos. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.